to discuss about tower problems. So now the first situation, body projected vertically up from top of tower. Now in this situation, the time taken, let us take it as t. So what is the initial velocity means I can take u equal to u, and body is projected upward. We can observe your body is projected up. So acceleration I can write it as minus g. And what is about time taken means I can take total time of journey as t. And what about the displacement here? Displacement means shortest distance between initial to final. Body projected up. Body is projected up, but we are measuring displacement mean this is the initial and this is the final. As the body projected up and we are measuring down, we have to take the direction as negative. So I can give here it as minus h. So substituting in the formula, S is equal to ut plus of at square. Here I can write minus h is equal to ut, a value minus g. So I will get here minus of gt square. So h is equal to, I can write minus ut plus of gt square. This is the formula for body projected vertically up from top of the tower. Then here h is called height of tower. So height of tower in this situation, we can write the formula minus ut plus of gt square, where t is the total time of journey here. U is initial velocity, A is minus g, because we are projecting the body up. Remember, displacement is taken as negative because always displacement means shortest path between initial to final. This is initial, this is the final. Shortest path means down, we are taking as body projected up. Body projected up, we are measuring the displacement down. So we are taking it as negative. So I have written it as minus h. And finally, I got the height of the tower formula as h equal to minus ut plus of gt square when our body is projected vertically up. This is the first situation. Next, let us see the second situation here. Now, this is also tower situation. Body is projected here from the top of a tower of height h. But body is not projected vertically up. Body is projected making an angle theta with horizontal, making an angle theta with horizontal, with initial velocity u, it is projected. So now it is not vertically projected. So I can resolve into components. In horizontal direction, u cos theta. In vertical direction, I can write u sin theta, resolving the initial velocity into components. So here in horizontal, we got u cos theta. In vertical, you got u sin theta. The result, initial velocity. This is the initial velocity u. It's making an angle theta here. So this will be u cos theta component, horizontal component of initial velocity. U sin theta, vertical component of initial velocity u. So I resolved into two components here, u cos theta and u sin theta. So now, what is the formula for height of the tower? Means this one we can handle very simple way. How to handle means observe what is the vertical velocity. Vertical velocity is u sin theta, and because h is in which direction? Vertical. Let us take total time of journey. Here is t. Total time is what we are taking t here. Total time of journey means that is from here to here. The total time is taken as t. So now we are discussing h means h is related to vertical direction. H is related to vertical direction. So here what is the velocity we are projecting in vertical direction? Observe only velocity in vertical direction, because I need the formula for h. H is vertical height. Tower height is vertical. So what is initial vertical velocity? U sin theta. As usual, acceleration is minus g because body is projected up. So now just I can compare with my previous concept. So when body is projected up here, what happened? What is the vertical velocity? U. A is minus g. H. I got the formula h equal to minus ut plus of gt square. Comparing to this one. Now here also same thing we can follow. What is initial vertical? We are discussing in which direction? Vertical. Because it is moving in two dimension motion it is. So vertical direction first I am discussing separately here. In vertical direction, what is initial velocity? What is initial velocity? Uy is u sin theta. Body projected up. A equal to minus g. Time is equal to t. And s is equal to what should I write? Minus h. Why minus h? I already told in previous concept also. Body projecting upward, but displacement means shortest distance between initial to final. That is straight line. Vertical. Vertical means down. Okay, sir. Here to your displacement is there, no, sir. This is horizontal displacement. This is horizontal displacement. Vertical means this is the initial, ground is the final. We don't discuss about horizontal displacement here because our study is about vertical now. So this is the taken down, body projected up, and we are measuring down the tower height. So we have to take minus h. From this information, substituting in the formula, S is equal to ut plus of 8 square. If you substitute, what we can observe, carefully observe here, minus h is equal to u sin theta into t minus of gt square, because a is minus g here. I got minus. So what I am doing here, see, observe, minus h is there. Minus I am taking other side. So I can simply write h is equal to minus u sin theta into t plus of gt square. Like that, I can give the information related to the tower height in the situation of body projected up with an angle with horizontal from top. So this is the situation projected up means. So previous situation, just we can compare here. Previous h equal to minus ut plus of gt square. U is vertical velocity. In this situation, h equal to minus u sin theta t. Minus u sin theta t here. Why? What is u sin theta? It's a vertical velocity. So I got the formula in this way. I hope you are clear with this one now. Let us see the next one here. Vertically projected down from the top of the tower. What is vertically projected down from the top of the tower concept means? Simply it is projected down. So initial velocity u, acceleration anyhow g, and the total time taken to reach the ground, let us take it as time of descent as t. And what is the displacement? In which direction body is projected? Body projected down. It is also coming down. So same direction of projection body is moving. So body projected down, and this now we are measuring the height also down only. So both are in same direction. So we can take it as h plus h. In previous concepts, if you observe, where body projected up and we are measuring down means we used to take minus, but not like that here. Now projected down, height also we are measuring down. Both are in same initial point to final point. Coming body projected down also here. So we can take it as plus h. From here, what is the formula? S equal to ut plus of 8 square. Substituting here, what should I write? H is equal to ut plus a in the place of a, g. H is equal to ut plus of gt square. This is the formula for the body projected vertically down from top of tower. I hope you are clear with this one. It is straightforward, no complications at all. Now you observe this one. Body is projected with a velocity u, not in horizontal or not upward angle with like that. It's projected in this direction, making an angle theta with horizontal. It's horizontal, and it's making an angle theta with horizontal down. We are projecting down with the velocity is u. Initial velocity is u. Now again, as usual, we'll resolve into components. In this direction, horizontal direction, I can write u cos theta because it makes here angle theta here. So remember, always is a very simple technique to remember. Where angle it makes, that component is cos. So here u is there, angle makes to this line. So simple we can say it is u cos theta. Rectangular component for which the line that angle touch, that is always cos term. Simple way to remember resolving of vector into components. So this is now u cos theta. Now here if you observe here again, what is the direction of u sin theta means vertical. Here we have to resolve that initial velocity u into rectangular components. So this is u cos theta. Other one rectangular component means downward this direction. What is this value? We can write it as u sin theta. U sin theta. Observe carefully. Here u sin theta is the vertical velocity and body is projected down. So A is equal to G. Time T, time is taken for coming down is T. Now, what should we write here again? Let us take the data. Now, body is projected down, initial velocity in vertical direction. Now, I am discussing in which direction? Vertical direction. So, U equal to U sin theta in vertical direction. Let me call it as otherwise Uy, because showing that vertical initial velocity, let me write Uy equal to U sin theta. Uy is equal to, let me write U sin theta. After that, body is projected down. So A equal to simply G. Total time taken to reach the ground from projected point to ground is T. And what about displacement? Coming down, projected down, it is also coming down. Vertical displacement. Remember, I am discussing about only vertical, only vertical. Vertical means from here to here. That is, don't take a horizontal displacement. Very dangerous. You can, some students can be get confused. Sir, you are telling S equal to H. How it is H, sir? From here to here, it is some displacement is there. No, this is initial point. So this is initial point, no sir. This is the final point. So shortest distance between initial point and final point means you have to take straight line from here to here, no sir. Why you are taking H? Why you are taking H? Answer is not about from here to here. From here to here, it has vertical height as well as horizontal height. But I am discussing H is height of tower. Height of tower is discussed only in vertical direction. Only in vertical direction means S is equal to H. S is equal to H. So from this information, substituting in the formula, S is equal to UYT plus of AT square. So what is S value? H, UY, U sin theta into T plus A value G of GT square. This is the formula for height of the tower which we derived here when body projected with an angle horizontal downward. Angle is horizontal downward from top of tower. So we got this formula. When the body projected with vertically upward, h equal to minus ut plus of gt square. Vertically, it is projected upward with an angle with the horizontal. Projected up with an angle with the horizontal. H equal to minus u sin theta plus of gt square. When the body is projected downward, h equal to ut plus of gt square. And when the body is projected making an angle with horizontal downward, h is equal to minus u sin theta plus, not minus, plus u sin theta t plus of gt square. So these are the different situations what we discussed regarding the tower cases. Tower, 4 cases of tower problems we discussed. I hope it is clear.